Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. A lot of you have been asking over the last couple of months, and we're here to deliver. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive on the 2K QHD dash cam from Thinkware, the X1000. Well, the X1000 is a 2K front and 2K rear dash cam from Thinkware. You may be wondering, doesn't Thinkware already have a 2K dash cam called the Q800 Pro? Well, let us tell you what's special about the X1000. The X1000 is a 2K front and 2K rear system. The front camera uses a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor, which is the same sensor as the Q800 Pro. But because of the newer lens technology Thinkware has custom built into this camera, the image quality of the X1000 is noticeably better than that of the Q800 Pro, especially when you compare side-by-side footage. The X1000 also comes with an integrated blue filter that is most commonly used in flagship smartphone cameras, so not only are the images clearer and sharper, honestly, it even rivals that of many 4K dash cams on the market today. Also, the X1000 records at a native 2016 by 1964p resolution and scales it down to 2560 by 1440p. So you get better sharpness, detail, and clarity during playback. The X1000 rear camera is also 2K QHD. It features the same 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor and the same 156-degree field of view as the front camera. This is, if you're wondering, the same 2K rear camera that the U1000 uses, as you can see in the footage comparison. So the rear camera footage of the two cameras look virtually identical. Both the front and rear cameras record at 156-degree wide-angle views. Now, while Thinkware dash cams are not known to produce fisheye footage, Thinkware has taken it a level up, and the X1000's focus has been tuned digitally to minimize distortion. The integrated blue filter allows even more light to be absorbed by the image sensor, resulting in cleaner and sharper images. It takes into account the tint and angle of your windshield to deliver an optimized image quality under any environment. The X1000 is currently the only Thinkware dash cam to offer the latest Super Night Vision 3.0 technology. The X1000 uses a combination of digital overlap high dynamic range and noise reduction technology to reduce noise and lens flare that you typically see in nighttime footage. In fact, in our opinion, both the nighttime footage looks even sharper than the U1000, even though the U1000 is a higher resolution camera. Out of the box, the X1000 comes with a Thinkware hardwiring kit. Now, by hardwiring your dash cam directly into your car, you're going to be able to unlock the parking surveillance feature. Parking surveillance is one of Thinkware's strengths, and the X1000 is no exception. You get the standard motion and impact detection with buffered recording and time-lapse recording. And you also get Energy Saving Mode 2.0, which allows the X1000 to remain on standby for about 576 hours or 24 days on a fully charged Thinkware iVolt dashcam battery pack. So if the 4500 milliamp iVolt dashcam battery pack from Thinkware can get you 576 hours, imagine how many more hours you can get with a 7500 milliamp BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 battery pack. Now, just like the Thinkware X700, the X1000 also comes with a screen. This is a 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen that features an IPS panel, which means that viewing from any angle and at any time of the day makes it quite easy. That said though, one of the things we didn't like about the X1000 is that it's not Wi-Fi enabled, so you can't use it with the Thinkware smartphone app. In other words, the only way to view your footage is either on the X1000's LCD touchscreen right here, or alternatively, you take out your SD card and you plug it into your laptop or your desktop, and you can view it using the Thinkware Desktop Viewer app. If you want speed and map data on your dashcam footage, you're going to want to get yourself an external GPS module and plug that into your dashcam. You're also going to need that if you want to unlock ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System features. We strongly recommend getting the optional GPS module, not just for ADAS, but also the ability to record your traveling speed and precise location and route right on the map. These features not only provide crucial driving data in case of an accident, you can also use it to track and document your road trips. To sum it all up, if you're looking for a cloud-ready dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, well, the X1000 might not satisfy your needs. But if you're looking for something that's just simple, easy to use, 2-channel right out of the box, and not only that, it's also the most energy efficient when it comes to parking mode, then the X1000 is definitely what we recommend for you. In our opinion, the X1000 is definitely one of the best dash cams that you can use from daily commutes to even your next road trip. If you're looking for an easier setup, say for example, you're renting a rental car for your next vacation and you just want a dash cam that you can take from one car to another, then we definitely recommend getting yourself a Thinkware 12-volt power cable or an OBD cable for easy plug and play. On top of that, we recommend getting yourself a BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 battery pack so you can get some extended parking mode protection. The Thinkware X1000 is available on the BlackboxMyCar website. Be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next purchase. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.